Platoria is an innovative platform that harnesses the power of AI to assist individuals in making informed decisions when it comes to choosing the perfect product. The researchers behind this product understand that the process of selecting a new product can be overwhelming given the numerous options available in the market. Just think about when you decide to buy any sort of electronics. Let's think about mobile phone. There are heaps of options available in terms of features, cost, and lot of other things. Even when you decide upon a niche brand or a niche product, let's say you decide on Samsung Galaxy for your mobile phone, even within Samsung Galaxy, there are dozens of options. Platoria stands out by utilizing cutting edge AI technology to summarize real people's product reviews. Their AI algorithm analyze and extract essential information, including key features, pros, and cons, from a vast array of reviews. This enables Platoria to provide concise and meaningful insights, allowing users to quickly grasp the essential aspect of each product. Their mission is to simplify the shopping process and empower users to make confident decisions. Whether you are a tech enthusiast or someone new to the world of e commerce and AI, Platoria is here to guide you through the complexities and help you make more informed shopping decisions. The good thing about Platoria is that it is totally free, and according to their website, it is going to stay that way. You don't even have to sign up. You can use it for free, but signing up definitely opens up few more features. Now, when you sign up, you get access to their vendor listing and also the complete array of AI generated FAQs. That is where registration makes sense. Search results on Platoria are sorted by relevance. Let's try to use it and see how this works. Let me type Samsung Galaxy. By the way, I'm already signed up with my email account. I'm typing Samsung Galaxy here. Let's press enter. Let me make it a little bit smaller. You can see that it has come up with all of these Samsung Galaxy models and stuff. And then, as I mentioned earlier, it is sorted by relevance. Relevance means the product that best match our search term appear at the top of the search result. And I think you can sort it with rating low to high and price wise. And then there are a lot of other stuff, and there is also a star ranking, as you can see here. Now, I think there is also some sort of AI generated one summary, but let's see. Let's see. I'm interested in Samsung Galaxy A34. Let's open its AI summary, and you can see there are pros and cons. So it seems that this Platoria is employing AI algorithms to generate concise and informative summary of product reviews. The process starts by collecting a wide range of real people's product reviews from over 100 of world's biggest vendors. And then once that's done, their AI algorithm then analyze these reviews using natural language processing technique to identify key information such as features, pros and cons mentioned by the reviewers. Finally, it is condensing the reviews into easily digestible summaries, as you can read here, that what is the overall product and what is the rating, and then it's all the features in very concise summaries. Plus, you can see it just condenses all the pros, and the biggest pro is stunning display, fast performance. So, if your preference is a mobile phone with a great display, then maybe this is for you. But if you're more after expandable storage, then this might not be the good fit for you. If you click on cons, so if a short battery life is a biggest no-no for you, then this is not for you. But if large size and weight, it is okay with there. So I think this really makes it very easy to get your preference straight. And you can see that there are 31,000 reviews already here, and this whole information on is based on those 31,000 reviews, which is quite awesome. And we just saw that it was pretty quick to get the answer. Now these are the AI generated FAQs about this model. which you can, for example, if you're interested in battery life, it is saying that this Samsung A34 has a hefty 5000 mAh battery that easily gives a solid day of relatively heavy use. How cool is that? It is also giving you the drawbacks, good stuff. Now, one interesting conflicting thing is that here it is saying that the battery life is good, but if you go up, you see that in the pros, where the long lasting battery is just 11%, so that doesn't make that much sense anyway, but depends. A pretty good tool, I should say. I mean, quite valuable. At least you get to make some of the informed decision with the help of it. I won't be trusting these AI generated summaries and stuff completely, but I think it could be a good starting point in order to make an informed decision. I will drop the link to Platoria in the video's description. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think about the tool. I think quite a good idea, especially when it comes to using an AI powered tool to do all of this grunt work. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network. Thank you.